Today I will talk about testing hypotheses regarding the difference of two means. Before we start the steps, we need to confirm 4 criteria. The first one is the samples are random samples. The second one, the samples are independent. The third, the sample sizes are large. Here N1 and N2 are at least 30. Last one, each sample size is no more than 5% of the population size. Step 1. Determine the null and alternative hypothesis. The hypotheses are structured in one of 3 ways: two-tailed test, left-tailed test, and right-tailed test. In two-tailed test, U1 is not equal to U2. In left-tailed test, U1 is less than U2. In right-tailed test, U1 is greater than U2. Now we will use the calculator to do a classical approach. Firstly, we will edit raw data in L1 and L2 in calculator. Press Set Stat, highlight tests, and select two-sample t-test. If the data are raw, highlight data, making sure that list 1 is set to L1 and list 2 is set to L2. The frequency is set to 1. If summary statistics are known, highlight stats and enter the summary statistics. Highlight the appropriate relation between U1 and U2 in the alternative hypothesis. Set pooled to no. Highlight calculate and press enter. Then calculator will give you the test statistic and p-value. Step 3. We will compare the critical value with the test statistic. In two-tailed test, if the test statistic is less than critical value or test statistic is greater than the critical value, reject the null hypothesis. In left-tailed test, if the test statistic less than critical value, reject the null hypothesis. In right-tailed test, if the test statistic is greater than the critical value, reject the null hypothesis. Step 4. Upon drawing conclusion, there is or is not sufficient evidence at the alpha equal to level of significance to conclude that. Now we can state the alternative hypothesis here. Let's talk about p-value approach. Step 1, we will determine the null and alternative hypothesis. Step 2, we will get the p-value from two-sample t-test in calculator. Step 3, if p-value is less than alpha, reject the null hypothesis. Step 4, draw conclusion as we did in classical approach. Thank you.